Lori with Sister Eden. Have you ever stayed at a vacation home and you get like one dish towel, one dishcloth, and maybe one big plastic bowl without a lid to store your leftovers in? If you're me, that dish towel is going to get sopping wet after the first batch of dishes has been done, and I'm not about to use paper towels or a bath towel. And what about storing leftovers and doing the laundry? What vacation homes provide varies greatly. So now I have a checklist of things to bring, which saves me money because I don't have to go out and buy things when I get there. And number two, it helps me to continue to live low waste even when I'm on vacation. Let's start with the kitchen. So what's the first thing we do, either right before we get to the vacation house or right after we've checked in? We go grocery shopping. So bring reusable bags. You know, I bet you probably have 3 or 4 or more in your car already. So just keep them in your car for when you go on vacation. And if you're flying, it's not going to take a lot of space to pack 3 or 4 reusable bags. If you prepare a meal in your vacation home, you're probably going to have leftovers, but there might not be many or any containers to put your leftovers in. And I'm not about to put my leftovers in plastic, and I'm not about to use saran wrap. So this is what I do. First, I bring a supply of Bees wrap, which I can use to put over a bowl, or I can put it over a half-consumed tomato or an onion or something. It's just great for wrapping up all types of leftovers. I also use lunch skins, which are great for putting, a half-eaten sandwich in or like a dessert that's unfinished. It's also just great for packing snacks for when you're on the go, on the way to or during or after you've left the vacation home. If we've opened up a bag of chips or pretzels or something like that, I like to pack clothespins, which work as great chip clips, or a real chip clip is good. But also I've used rubber bands and twist ties for things like this. Lunchbox are a great option to store leftovers in, and I also take them with me when we eat out at restaurants so that if I do want to take any food to go with me, I just put it in the lunchbox rather than being forced to use their evil polystyrene takeout container. Glass Pyrex containers are great to use too. And while they may seem a little bulky, what I like is that I can store all of my supplies inside that container. Now to help with cleaning, I pack a couple of extra dishcloths, dish towels, stainless steel scouring pads, because I'm gonna burn something, a few rags to use in place of paper towels, biodegradable dish soap, and eco-friendly dishwasher pods. They're earth-friendly and they don't have the toxic smell that so many of the mainstream ones have. A supply of cloth napkins and handkerchiefs to use in place of Kleenex. Finally, for laundry, I pack 1 bag of soap nuts, which is good for up to 7 loads, a small container of my DIY stain remover, and a toothbrush for stubborn stains, and also some stainless steel hanging clothespins for hanging bathing suits and other things you might hand wash. You can find this entire list on my website at sistereden.com. Just click above or click on the link in the information section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. I would love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of yourself and take care of the planet. Oh. Why do you insist? Why do you insist? Okay. Can you go over here, please? I need you to go over there.